Hello friends, I have made some changes in construction of my knife. First, I decided to add spring mechanism to make it automatic. I put this lever on the side, secure it by screw. I put my blade in the place, put it and keep by finger. This is spring. Keeping blade by finger, you need to pull it on the place. But also you need to attach spring with this spring ring on this small hook. Chick, 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 almost ready to use. And we need to secure construction with this screw. This screw needs to prevent some accidental disassembly. And when you need to change blade, you need to unscrew this bolt, remove it and disassemble mechanism, change blade, probably put it on place on the back side here. Keeping and catch spring on the place. Okay.